tentang selalu berhati-hati.
Ya, berhati-hati dalam naik sepeda.
Oke. And then
Terus itu kemudian kan masih ada
so there are questions also.
beberapa pertanyaan tentang dari soal itu, dari cerita tersebut tentang anak yang menaiki sepeda dan bagaimana cara kita lebih berhati-hati dalam menaiki sepeda, di mana tempat yang aman dalam menaiki sepeda, seperti itu Mas.
Bagaimana cara kita menaiki sepeda
Dengan baik, dan di mana tempat yang aman kita menaiki sepeda, seperti itu.
So this one kata sapaan. Kata sapaan, kata sapaan yang sambung dengan orang lain. What is your name?
Kata sapaan itu seperti sebuah kata atau kalimat yang digunakan untuk menyapa seseorang. Contohnya selamat pagi, selamat siang, hai apa kabar, seperti itu. Selamat malam.
So you show the difference between all of this, ya. Science. Okay, you write down here that you explain about the page from page 78 until 79. What is it about this?
78 dan 79.
And then you show a video also to
They
them.
are about changing the material. Is about changing material. So the video is about changing material. What material it can change when we bend, stretch, compress, and twist it like that.
How many just now?
Compress,
Compress.
twist, stretch, and bend.
What is the difference between all of this?
So when bend is mean like you make something, bend is to change the size and shape of the material by bending them. So the material, when you change the when you do bending, the material can go back into the previous shape. After you bend and you make again like this, the material can be back to the previous shape.
Are you sure for all things?
Not all things. Some materials or some objects. For
So-
example, spoon and then straw, clay.
How many examples?
Maybe
Did you teach to the students? Like, this is the difference between materials that we can
yeah. So the materials that we can bend, for example,
How many examples?
spoon, straw, clay, and after that, what else? Only that I know.
Three of these.
Yeah.
Spoon, straw, and
Yeah, metal
clay.
spoon, straw, and clay. For the twist, the material that can be twist, for example, we can use towel and then sponge. Clay we can also make twist, and after that the material that can be compressed, for example, drink can. Water
That can be
compressed can be
What is
compressed.
that?
Drink can, plastic bottle, and clay also can. And compress like this. Stretch.
Stretch.
Okay, the material that can be stretched are rubber, and then plastic. Sometimes plastic can.
What's the first just now? What was the first stretch?
Rubber, tree. Orange.
Banana, apple, and mango.
Yeah, orange.
So how about soil?
In the soil, so you can find some vegetable in the soil like carrots, potatoes, onion.
Potatoes, yeah.
Yes.
Onion. And then how about the plant?
The plant, tomato, strawberry, chili, lettuce, watermelon.
How about types of food?
Types of food. Types of food like so in the I feel like there's many types of food. So I just explain about the types of food that grows in tree, that means on the tree, on in the soil, on a plant like that. So this fruit grows in the soil, this vegetable grows in the soil like that.
Oh, I thought you explained types of food that good for our body and types of food that is not good for our body.
Because the page is just talking about the soil like on the tree and on the plant.
What is it about page 66 and 67? Hewan beserta kita.
Hewan sekitar kita.
Hewan beserta kita. IPAS. 66 tell me.
66 kan?
Mungkin 67.
It's about hewan pemakan gitu ya misalnya. Hewan pemakan itu seperti tadi di situ saya akan menjelaskan. I will explain about hewan pemakan daging adalah karnivora, contohnya singa, harimau, seperti itu buaya. Buaya tidak, buaya sih makan daging tapi dia termasuk omnivora.
Oh, so it means that you will explain about herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. For each of these, how many examples will you give to the students?
Maybe 5 or
5 each?
around 3 until 5 animals. So they can know.
3 until 5.
Yes, animals.
So it means that maybe around 15 poultry of that. Yeah.
Now we need to
So how will you, for Indo, how will you give the differentiation between kalimat-kalimat sapaan seperti apa kabar? How will you give the explanation to students? Apa kabar? Terima kasih.
kalimat sapaan itu di mana perbedaannya? Perbedaannya itu kalau kita lagi dalam kondisi pagi hari kita bilangnya selamat pagi, kalau kita lagi siang
Kalau terima kasih siapa anda itu?
Enggak, Miss. Terima kasih seperti kayak magic word gitu ya. Ada 4 ya, maaf, tolong, terima kasih, dan permisi.
Magic word ya.
Wajib itu ya. Wajib kita ucapkan saat kita ada kesalahan, meminta izin, meminta bantuan, atau terima kasih saat sudah ditolong. Oke.
What cannot non-living things do? What cannot they do?
Non-living cannot move by themselves, and then they cannot take breath, and then they cannot eat, they cannot breathe, and they cannot
Yeah, they cannot do anything
do
by
anything
themselves,
by
right?
themselves.
So they need somebody or maybe help, to push them to pull down, to make them move, like that, yeah. What is a pull or push on an object called?
That's force.
Push or pull. The answer is
Force.
Okay. What happens when we push an object?
The object will move.
How far the object will move?
And it's a question.
No.
As we want is when we want to push or pull an object, we want to stop, the object will stop like that. So for when we stop, they will stop like that.
The more we push, the object will
Get close with us like that.
further, right? Yes. The more we pull, the object will closer, like that.
So it means we make
Because you write here, the object moves away from us.
yeah, that's from the pull. Pull is like when we move the object get closer with us. Push, move the object get
Away from
away
us.
from us.
Okay. So object spins. What is it called?
Object spin. Yeah.
Object spins. This one makes the ways objects can move with their correct explanations. Like one push, pull, turn.
Turn.
Turn. Okay.
Something we forgot juga dan
Yeah.
ini.
The homework.
Kan biasanya ada choice.
Okay. To make a toy car move, you can
And push the toy.
dalam peternakan itu kita melihara hewan itu untuk kita manfaatkan ya. Karena mereka mungkin menghasilkan apa yang kalau kita seperti daging ya kan. Badak itu termasuk hewan apa mas?
Badak itu hewan karnivora ya mas ya.
Hewan karnivora ini
Hewan yang hidup di
tidak hewan ternakal,
hewan liar.
hewan liar ya. Peternakan ini usaha apa mas?
Usaha untuk merawat dan memelihara hewan ternak untuk dapat dimanfaatkan hasilnya.
Tempat yang dibuat oleh hewan tertinggal apa namanya? Oh ya nggak salah.
Sarana
How will you give explanation to the students ya about PPKN ya? Nah, ini ada pertanyaannya yang bertanggung jawab menjaga bersih sekolah siapa aja? How will you explain to them so that they receive that?
Nah, siapa sajakah yang harus dan wajib membersihkan sekolah itu? Jadi yang wajib membersihkan sekolah itu yang wajib membersihkan sekolah itu semua warga sekolah, kamu, guru, siswa, guru, kepala sekolah, semua yang tinggal di sekolah itu harus wajib membersihkan sekolah, lingkungan sekolah. Kenapa? Karena saat sekolah kita bersih, maka yang dapat manfaatnya adalah kita juga. Jadi kalau kalian melihat sampah di luar kelas atau di halaman depan, kalian harus mengambilnya dan meletakkannya di tong sampah seperti itu. Jadi jangan mengharapkan cleaning service atau ibu pembersih kita untuk membersihkannya.
So did you ask them about kewajiban dan hak?
Iya.
Hak.
Nah, contoh kewajiban kita sebagai siswa ataupun sebagai anak. Pertama, sebagai siswa, kewajiban kita yaitu belajar dengan sungguh-sungguh, mendengarkan guru, ikut membersihkan kelas. Nah, kalau kewajiban kita di rumah itu, contohnya mendengarkan orang tua, patuh kepada orang tua, belajar di rumah saat ada PR ataupun tidak ada PR juga kita harus belajar. Kemudian hak kita di sekolah itu mendapat pelajaran dari guru, mendapat perlindungan dari guru ataupun orang yang lebih dewasa dari kita di sekolah, mendapat ruangan